I mean, I'm in. That's Texas Hold'em. Is there anything worse than curling your hair, loving the way it looks, and then when you go out, it falls out immediately? I have found the solution. It's Color Wow's new hard hold hairspray, Texas Hold'em. I'm gonna break these waves up and show you what it can do. Immediate hold. And it's not crunchy, and it's not crispy, and it's not wet. That's the thing I hate about hard hold hairsprays. It's looking good. I mean, look at the difference in just a couple of sprays. If you avoid hard hold hairsprays because they weigh your hair down or they make it wet and ruin your style, this is not that. It's just really buildable, strong hold, doesn't wet your hair, and it deposits up to 50% less alcohol on your hair. So true to all of Color Wow's products, it's gonna be super gentle on your hair, great for color treated hair, and it's just gonna overall preserve the health of your hair while helping you get the style that you want and have it stay all day.